Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the screw head and the extent of damage. This determines method choice. Once done, secure the area, wear eye protection, and steady the piece. Make sure to select a driver bit slightly larger for grip or a short, hardened extractor. If the head is flush, place a thick rubber band over it to add traction. Apply firm, steady pressure while turning slowly. Avoid jerky motion so you don't further round the head or break the tip. If the rubber band fails, drill a small pilot hole centered in the screw. This creates a purchase point for a tapered screw extractor. Once the extractor bites, turn counterclockwise with steady pressure. Extractors cut as they turn. Make sure to use a left-handed drill bit when possible. It can back the screw out while drilling. If the screw protrudes, grip with locking pliers and twist. When resistance is high, tap the head lightly with a hammer to break adhesion before reattempting removal. After extraction, clean the hole of debris and metal shavings. This prevents cross-threading. Once clean, inspect threads. If damaged, install a helicoil or use a thread repair kit sized to the original screw. Make sure to test fit a new screw before final tightening and apply thread locker if needed. If an extractor breaks, stop and reassess. Drill larger, use a sleeve or replace the component. Forcing tools risks further damage. One tip: if things go wrong, back up, recenter, and choose a gentler method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.